Off our weather tonight with what a view from Lincoln City. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at this. From a safe distance, please. We love seeing your pictures and any video that you have to share with us. Mary Lou sending in this photo. Looking out from Lincoln City to the south. What a snapshot this is. Now, we're going to see more of this tomorrow. Now we're going to add on not just the big waves, but the big time wind. High wind warning will go into effect starting tomorrow morning for the coastline. So be safe out there if you want to check it out. I understand the curiosity level because it's exciting to watch, but please do it from a safe distance. Watch out for sneaker waves, and not just to mention sneaker waves. We're talking about big time wind and also still seeing some extreme tides. So you have a negative low tide going into tonight, 8:32. And a high tide 7.4 feet above mean tide level. That'll be at 1:30 tomorrow afternoon. And then the next more extreme low tide after that will be late tomorrow night, about 9:20. There is your high wind warning. It includes the entire Washington and Oregon coastline all the way down to the California border. So on the extreme end, wind gusts could reach 55 to even 65 miles per hour. Along with that, we're looking at some pretty big waves out there, anywhere in the range of 20 to even 30 feet. So here we go. Current conditions. Nice and calm right now. Portland, 51 degrees. Wind is out of the southeast at just 7 miles per hour. Your dew point 45. Looking at radar, not seeing much for rain for us at the moment, and we really won't until we get to tomorrow morning. Most of that hanging out in western Washington. We need more of that rain. Here's a look at your drought. We have roughly about 92% of the state still dealing with some level of drought, anywhere from abnormally dry to the extreme drought category, which is 40% of the state. So how much rain can we see in the next 24 hours? Close to about 0.8 of an inch for us in the valley. Along the coast, perhaps closer to about 1 inch of rain. Now let's take all 5 days, add them up. Now we could be looking at, again, at the extreme end, anywhere from about 1.5 to almost 2.5 inches of rain along the coast, closer to 4 inches possible. East of the Cascades, we're looking at about 1/4 of an inch to 0.4 of an inch. Initially, temperatures very warm, so snow levels don't really come down to our passes until we get to Wednesday night, Thursday, and Friday, possibly down to about 3,000 feet. So let's take a look at the potential for a snowfall here just for the next 2 days. Noticing it's going to take at least until we get Wednesday before we start seeing those accumulations closer to government camp, down to about 4,000 feet, possibly up to about 1 inch there. But look at that for our ski resorts. Some good news. We want to see more of that snowfall up there. And we could see anywhere from about 6 to 12 inches there for snowfall for local ski resorts. Now let's look at our forecast for tomorrow. Initially, the rain shows up right around 8 o'clock, light at first, but a chance for thunderstorms in the mix here. So be aware of some big time downpours coming through, especially the middle of the day to the afternoon. Noticing here at the coast, we'll see some pretty big cells coming through, especially in the afternoon with that daytime heating. Another chance of thunderstorms again on Wednesday. More of that rain, yes, in the mix. The change for us on Wednesday will be that colder air aloft starting to filter in. So that means snow closer to our mountain passes by the time we get to tomorrow night. 7-day forecast looks like this. I pointed out the one good day that I see out there, Saturday. Get outside Saturday. It looks as though that might be our only big break from the rain this week. KOIN 6 News. We'll be right back.